Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to find your camera settings on a PC. I am using a Windows 10 PC and my photo is open in Photos, the Photos app. You can see it over here. And in order to find the camera settings, which is going to be very important, I can't give you feedback or answer your questions on a photo without these three numbers. Now, you're not going to really understand what they mean right at this very moment because you haven't taken the class, but it's important to be able to find them. So let me show you. In the Photos app, you're going to come down here to File Info, and then you're going to look over here and it's going to say Shot and ISO. And I need three things. I need the shutter speed, which is usually expressed as a fraction, so 1/125 second, so 1/125th of a second is your shutter speed. F 1.8 is your aperture, and ISO is 640. So those are the three things I need. I need your shutter speed, your aperture, and your ISO. This 50 millimeter right here just means which lens you used. You can include that information as well, but the most important thing is your shutter speed, your aperture or f-stop, and your ISO. Now, if you're using File Explorer, you can also get the information by right-clicking and going to Properties, and that information will be here under ISO 640, f-stop, f1.8, exposure time, which is the same as shutter speed, 1/125th of a second. Again, these three things are very important for me to be able to give you feedback on your pictures. So let me know if you have any questions, and happy shooting.